Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I have a little trick to elevate your next dining experience, and that is getting beautiful flatware right here. This is from Oliviola, and this set is absolutely stunning. This is just the most beautiful flatware set that I have ever seen. I absolutely love it. So this is a stainless steel set, but it's in this gorgeous matte gold finish. And let me tell you, it just really makes any weeknight meal or dinner party feel so special. So even if you're just eating at home by yourself or with your family, it just makes the experience that much more special. So it comes with 5 different pieces for each setting. So you have a big long fork here, your dinner fork. You have your smaller salad fork. You've got a large soup spoon. And I love the shape on these spoons, and they really are functional. They're really easy to sip out of, and they're awesome. You've got your little teaspoon here, and then here's the knife. This knife is awesome. So on one side, it is flat. You can see that here. The other side is serrated, and this knife is amazing. So we were able to cut through steak and ham and chicken and all kinds of things with these knives and not even have to have a steak knife. It really is awesome. And these pieces have a nice weight to them. So they feel very well made, very durable and high quality. The sleek modern design really just adds something special. So whether you're looking for everyday flatware or a set that is going to really impress your friends and your guests when you have them for a meal, I would definitely recommend this set from Oliviola. It is so beautiful, it's so functional and very well made. It's really crafted with care, and I absolutely love it. I think you will too. That's my point of view.